Meaning of holophrastic.
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 Holophrastic. The term holophrastic refers to the use of a single word or phrase to convey a complete thought or idea. This is often seen in the early stages of language development in young children, where they may use a single word like milk to mean I want milk or give me milk. Holophrastic speech simplifies communication by reducing complex sentences into concise statements. However, it can also limit the speaker's ability to convey nuance or express complex ideas. Overall, holophrastic language is an important stage in the development of language skills.